Let's discuss trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees and 90 degrees. First draw ABC right angle triangle. Here angle B equal to 90 degrees. Angle A, let angle A equal to theta. Okay, we want 0 degrees. So keep reducing the angle theta. Okay, it will become here angle A gets smaller and smaller. Okay, see, length of the BC decreases. Okay, ABC is the, so here length of the BC is almost 0. Okay, here AC becomes almost the same as AB. AC equal to AB. See, AC equal to AB. Okay, so here angle A equal to 0 degrees. See this diagram. Here angle A equal to 0 degrees and distance between B and C is 0. Okay, BC equal to 0 units. Okay, so sine 0 degrees, sine 0 degrees, opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, here hypotenuse is AC. Okay, AC equal to AB. Opposite side is BC, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC by hypotenuse AC. Here AC almost equal to AB. Okay, see, BC, distance between BC equal to 0 by anything, 0 by anything, which is equal to 0. Okay, next cos 0 degrees, side adjacent to the angle AB by hypotenuse is AC. Okay, see, AC equal to AB, AC by AC, it is equal to 1. Okay, next tan 0 degrees means sin 0 degrees by cos 0 degrees, 0 by 1, which is equal to 0 by 1, which is equal to 0. Next cot 0 degrees, 1 by tan 0 degrees, 1 by tan 0 degrees, value 0, 1 by 0, in denominator we have 0, so it is equal to infinity. Okay, next secant 0 degrees, which is equal to 1 by cos 0 degrees, 1 by cos 0, value 1, 1 by 1, 1. Cosecant 0 degrees, which is equal to 1 by sin 0 degrees, 1 by sin 0 degrees, value 1 by 0, 1 by 0, infinity. Okay, next trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees. See, ABC is right angle triangle, angle B equal to 90 degrees. Here we take reference angle A. Okay, we want 90 degrees, so we will decrease the length of AB. Okay, so see, length of AB, it keeps on decreases. Okay, AB, see here, angle A equal to 90 degrees. See this diagram, angle A equal to 90 degrees. Okay, here distance between A and B, AB distance is 0. Okay, almost 0. Angle A equal to 90 degrees. See, angle C is close to 0. Okay, here BC equal to AC. Okay, here AC nearly the same as side BC. Okay, AC equal to here, AC equal to almost BC. Okay, almost equal to BC. Okay, sine 90 degrees. See, is a angle A, reference angle A, sine 90 degrees. It means side opposite to the angle 90 degrees, opposite side BC by hypotenuse AC. Okay, we know AC equal to BC, which is equal to 1. Next, cos 90 degrees value, adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is AB is the adjacent side, hypotenuse is AC. Okay, AB equal to 0, distance between AB equal to 0 by anything, 0. Okay, next, tan 90 degrees, it means sin 90 by cos 90 degrees, 1 by 0, which is equal to, not defined, infinity. Next, cot 90 degrees, which is equal to 1 by tan 90 degrees, 1 by infinity. Okay, which means 1 by infinity, which is equal to 0. Okay, next, 1 by 0, which is equal to 0. Okay, next, secant 90 degrees, 1 by cos 90 degrees, 1 by cos 90, 0, 1 by 0 equal to infinity. Next, cosecant 90 degrees, 1 by sin 90 degrees, 1 by sin 90, 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. Okay.